Welcome to Totally RV. I'm Ken.
I'm Sue, and this is the gang.
Join us on our RVing adventures.
The good, the bad, and yes, the ugly.
Let's go. Alrighty. Yesterday my wife noticed a puddle here on the side of the our toilet, and I investigated and found that it was this flush valve right here. I'm going to take that out and replace it. I got a new one, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, I shut the water off, and I'm going to let the pressure off. I got a towel here in case, because there may be still some water in the line, and that should do that. Okay, here's the valve. This is what it looks like, and when you push on the pedal, it pushes that in and lets the water flow in. So I'm pretty sure that it's leaking around that little nipple there. So anyhow, here we go. We'll see how to do it. Yeah, this was on here just hand tight. Okay, and there's the water. Okay. And there's two little clips you push in. There's one on the top, one on the bottom. Screwdriver, try that. There's a bolt, there's a screw there. Okay. Okay, now let's see if that pops out. Yeah, there we go. Okay, almost. Got a shorter screw bit here. Hopefully that'll work. Just no room under here. Tell you what, the top one's real easy. I can't get the bottom one. Aha! Okay, it's out. Here's what I use. If you have a little stubby screwdriver, that would work really good for that bottom clip. And I didn't have that. You know, when you're camping, you don't bring all your tools, but this worked, and the rest is pretty cut and dry. Now all I gotta do is, this is a factory clamp, and they give you a regular worm clamp to replace it. That's in the kit. And okay, And yep, a little bit of water in there, that's all. Okay, that comes off. New one goes on. Put the clamp on. Okay. Okay. Just tightening that worm clamp around this upper spigot thing here. Okay. Oh, did that snap in there nice. Okay. Put the screw back in. All you gotta do is get it lined up right. And she goes right in. Nice and solid. Hook the water back up. Okay. Turn the water on. Hopefully it won't fly everywhere. Success. All right. Well, I hope it helped you out. I saved myself about a $75 service call, and looks good. All right. Thanks a lot for tuning in. Like and subscribe. We really appreciate it. Thank you.